Alright, here we've got one of the most beautiful 1750 conservation planters that we've had in here since they were new, okay? This thing has no-till, it is finger pickup, it is conservation, heavy-duty down pressure, poly boxes, liquid fertilizer with single-disc fertilize openers, and I mean this thing is gorgeous. 690, it is a 2001 model, I believe. 2001 model. Very, 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 very clean unit. Whoever had this absolutely took wonderful care of it. It even has the tightener kit on the gauge wheels. It's got rubber closing wheels. It's got insecticide. This thing is excellent. There's nothing else for a simple planter you'd want to see on it. And we're going to try our darndest to find a place inside for this. It is as good as, or better than this looks.